Hello friends, welcome to my channel Backend Bytes by Pratik. So in this video we will discuss more about different type of operator. So in the last session we will successfully completed the special operator. So in this video we will discuss a important and different type of operator, that is concatenation operator. So what do you mean by concatenation operator? Concatenation operator is a operator which is used to combine two string or two or more string, means any number of string that can be combined by using concatenation operator. So symbol of concatenation operator, this is the symbol of concatenation operator. It looks like a logical OR operator. So concatenation means combining two or more string. So syntax of concatenation operator, that is string 1, then concatenation operator, then string 2, then concatenation operator, then string 3, up to n number of string that can be combined by using concatenation operator. So let us take an example so that you can easily understand how concatenation operator performs. So select Raj, then concatenation operator, then Kumar from dual. So here Raj is a string, then Kumar is a string. Here two string that can be combined by using concatenation operator from dual. Here dual is a dummy table automatically created in the database. So output is Rajkumar. Now we have to practically check that Rajkumar output is created or not. For that we have to open SQL Plus. So open SQL Plus. Run SQL command line. Now connect. Now enter username. In my device username is system, then password, that is 1234. In my device you have to put your username and password, then enter. Successfully connected. Now set pages 200. Now set lines 200. Now we have to check employee table is present or not in our database. For that select star from EMP. Successfully data showing, that means data is available in EMP table is available in the database. Now we have to execute that query, that is select, then Raj string, then concatenation operator, then Kumar string from dual. So select Raj, then concatenation operator, then Kumar, then concatenation operator from dual. So Rajkumar is created. Means Raj and Kumar combined, and new string, that is the combination of Raj and Kumar, that is Raj. Now we have to discuss another important query so that you can easily understand how the concatenation operator performs. So display output as a following. Means we have to display the output like this. Smith work as clerk. So how we write? So we write like this, like a Smith, in which column of a employee table Smith is present in ename. So select ename, then concatenation operator, then work as, then concatenation operator, then clerk, in which column of EMP table clerk is present in job column from EMP table. So we write like this to get required result as a output. So here Ellen work as a salesman, Black work as a manager. Here all the three queries, the answer of all three queries are same. That is select ename, work as, job from EM. So now we have to practically check. So open SQL Plus. So now we have to write, that is select ename, then concatenation operator, then work as, then concatenation operator, then job from EMP. So Smith work as clerk, Allen work as salesman, Ward work as salesman, Jones work as manager. So all the data should be all the data are displayed in the output. So Smith worked as clerk, Allen worked as salesman, like all the data are displayed. Now we have to discuss another important query, that is display output as the following. Smith joined on 17th December 1980. So how we write? So we write like in this way, like select, then in which column of EMP table Smith is present in ename, that is ename. So select ename, then concatenation operator, then concatenation operator, then join, then concatenation operator, join on, then concatenation operator, then higher that. So in which column of EMP table 17 December 1980 is present? In which table? In which column? Means it is present in the higher date column. So higher date from table name, that is EM, then semicolon. So we write like in this way to get required result as a output. So now we have to check our theory and practically matched. For that, open SQL Plus. So now we execute the query, that is select ename, then concatenation operator, then joined on, then concatenation operator, then higher date from EM. So Smith joined on 17 December 1980. So Allen joined on 20 February 1981. So all the data are displayed in the output session. So now this is the last query to execute, that is display output as the following. Means we have to display the data as like that. Smith worked as a clerk and earned 800. So how we write like this? We write like in this way, like select, then Smith present in EMP column. So ename, then concatenation operator, then worked edge, then concatenation operator, then uh, and operator, concatenation operator, then clerk present in the job position column of EMP table. So job, then concatenation operator, then and yarns, and yarns, then concatenation operator, then salary, because 800 data is present in salary column of EMP table. The salary from EMP. So we write like this to get required result as a output. So now we execute this two query in the practically in SQL Plus. So open SQL Plus. So we write like this, like select ename, then concatenation operator, then work as, then concatenation operator, then job, then concatenation operator, and yarns, then concatenation operator, then salary from EMP table. Hit enter. So Smith work as clerk and earns 800. Allen work as a salesman and earns 1600. So all the data are displayed in the console. So successfully we completed the concatenation operator. So in the next session we will discuss another important concept of Oracle SQL. So please watch this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.